Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to perform a factory reset. But before I actually show you how to perform the factory reset, I'm just going to explain what the factory reset is all about. Okay, so when you perform a factory reset, it's going to restore the phone to its original out-of-the-box software state, erasing all user data, settings and installed applications, effectively turning it into a blank slate. So this process can help to resolve persistent issues that you might be facing, such as performance problems or software glitches. And it's also highly recommended to perform a factory reset if you're going to be giving the phone away to maybe a friend or a family member, or if you're going to sell it on to maybe a second-hand shop, or you're going to sell it online to somebody, etc., etc. So yeah, this is highly recommended to do before you actually give the phone away or you sell it. And like I mentioned, a lot of the times, if you're keeping the phone but you're facing problems with the device, a factory reset can help to fix software glitches. So now that I've explained what it's all about, I'm going to show you how to actually perform the factory reset. So go ahead and follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply pull down the notification panel twice, go into the settings, and then scroll down all the way down to where it says system. Go ahead and select it, and then here you will see the reset options. However, I recommend doing a backup. So just back up your files, like important pictures and data, before you actually go ahead and perform the factory reset. So select the backup now option and it will back up all your files. And then you can just go ahead and select reset options and select erase all data factory reset. And it explains erase all data factory reset. This will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So anything you have saved on your micro SD card will be perfectly fine. That will not get wiped. The only thing that's going to get wiped after you perform the factory reset is the internal storage. Okay, so just scroll down and select erase all data. And it explains once again, erase all data, all your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You can't undo this action. So like I said, make sure you back up any important pictures or videos or any important documents, because once you go ahead and perform the factory reset, you won't be able to get those things back. Okay, so go ahead and hit erase all data. Once you're sure that you want to go ahead and proceed with the factory reset, go ahead and select erase all data. And then the phone's going to reboot and it should go into the stock recovery, and as you can see, it's now starting to erase. Okay, so from here, if you're planning to keep the phone, you can set it back up. Just go through the setup process. Or if you're selling the phone or giving it on to somebody else, from here you can just simply hold down the power button there on the side and power it off. And then just place it in the box. And then you can sell it to who you're selling it to, or give it to whoever you're giving it to. So yeah, that's it for the video. This was just my video showing you how to perform a factory reset on the Motorola G85 Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.